Hey friends, it's me Techie. Welcome back in another video. In this video, let's discuss top 5 features from ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10. So let's get started. Before that, let me tell you that I'll make an in-depth review of the ColorOS 7.2. So stay tuned for that. In this video, I'm only gonna introduce some really good, great features, top 5 features. So let's get started. So friends, the first feature in the list is the icon pull down gesture. So it was introduced by Oppo in the ColorOS 7.2 version. So that's it, and now let's test the feature. It's pretty useful. I personally found pretty helpful in day-to-day tasks, as if you're having some other work while you want to access any app, so you just need to swipe and select the app. So I'll select Netflix. Yeah, it's open. So that's it, and now let's turn to the next feature. Wait till then I'll show you how to enable that. So for that you'll need to go in settings, just search icon pull down gesture and enable it, as you can see. Yeah, and now you're good to go. Just swipe and select the app. That's it. So friends, now let's come to the next feature in the list, that is the Oppo Lab. As this is the newly introduced feature, let me explain you that. This is used to make ringtones and customize them, as you can read it. So I'll show you one. Let's go. So after opening the app, you just need to swipe on the thrilling, vibrant, and many more modes given there. So that's how you make your own music, and you can also customize it later. So that's it, and you can say generate and you can save it and use as your personal ringtone. So that's a good feature by ColorOS. So thumbs up for that. So friends, now let's come to the next best feature which I found on the Oppo Reno 4. That's the AI color. As you can see, I've selected the sky blue color, and I'll shoot a video and I'll show you. So as you all can see, this mode is only available in video mode. So you'll get a crimson, green and a blue color, and a AI color portrait mode. So that's it, and I don't know why the photo mode doesn't have that mode. As you can see, the photo mode and the portrait mode will only have a AI colored portrait mode. So that's I would suggest the Oppo team to add the blue, crimson and the green in this camera too, so it's damn helpful. So I clicked images and a video in the mode, so here's it. So guys, I'm recording this video with its front camera with color AI portrait mode on. So as you can see, the background is black and white and I'm in color. So that's it. So let's come to the next feature, that is the fourth feature. So that's the power saving mode. That's just crazy. I almost used till 5%, and then after 5% I turned on the power saving mode and I got a backup of 20 minutes. I played a PUBG match. Power saving mode, that's on. So the battery is almost damn good. So I got around 20 minutes of backup. I played a TDM match in PUBG. I captured some images, shot some videos, and so the power saving mode for you. So friends, now let's come to the last feature of this video. So that's the Show Loop app. As you can see,
That's awesome app, dope app. So let's open it, and I have shot a video, this video and this video. So check this out. You can also add music, trim the video, and add some effects. I've added a glitch effect. So let let me play and show you. As you can see, you can add music, add some glitch effect and some cinematic look effect. I added your opening, so that's, as you can see, so that's really good. You can change
the aspect ratio too. You have 19:6, 1 by 3, 1 by 1, sorry. Original 4 by 3, 1 by 1, 3, 3:4 and 16:9, 19:16.
So that's all, and it's pretty good editor. It's handy feature, so I've liked it. So I'll try to edit many more videos on it. So check this.
So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you all liked the video and the tips and tricks from ColorOS 7.2. So that is it. So till then,